Garbage disposal from artisan. Go to Savanfa village and find out what happened to Jaitan. The first objective is inside the restaurant. Go into the restaurant, into the back, and up the stairs. Turn right at the top of the stairs and read and report on the note. Artisan will then give you a follow-on task to go to the dumping ground near Savanfa village and locate Jaitan. The second objective is behind the door on the left. Approach the body and inspect and report to complete the mission. If you found this guide helpful, please like and consider subscribing.